Hey, Dana, what's going on? This is getting way too out of hand here. Verifications, it's crazy.
Yes, especially this how regulated companies work at this day and age with the virtual. But I will explain to you what's going on.
Okay,
So my name is Larson. I'm going to be your agent for the verification process. I would like to let you know this call is being recorded for quality and monitoring service purposes. Is it okay for you?
yeah, got no choice. If you want to do what you got to do, you got to do it. So.
Yeah. If at any point we get disconnected, just refresh the page and we will reconnect again.
Okay.
Okay? Great. Can you please confirm for security your date of birth and zip code on the account?
620.
Very good. Thank you very much. Now, what are you using Instacoins for?
Trading for Forex.
Very good. Can you tell me where will you be transferring the funds once you purchase the Bitcoin through Instacoins?
Let's see. I believe it's Hugo.
Hugo's way. Very good. Great. And can you please tell me what is your source of income?
Uh,
Okay, very good. Would you consider it to be a full-time job or a part-time job?
it's part-time, semi-retired.
Part-time, semi-retired. Very good. Thank you very much. Those are all the questions we need to ask from our side. And now the reason why we do this is because we would need to verify the customer since how do you say, we don't meet personally like inside the shop.
Okay.
And regulators found that this is the best way to verify the customer.
Okay.
I understand the inconvenience of talking through a video call, but
Sure.
it will only be a one-time thing and it won't take long.
Okay.
Also, something I'd like to add, please make sure that you have the correct Bitcoin address when sending the funds,
Okay.
as it's very important because the Bitcoin transaction is a one-time thing. We have no way of refunding or tracking it once.
Okay.
So take your time. If you do have any questions or any queries, we have live chat calls and emails available 24/7, and we're always happy to help.
Okay. I still don't understand why different trading companies are no longer using straight funds from your bank account into the account. It has to be traded into a Bitcoin. I don't understand that side of it.
What do you mean? Because we are only as a company as a Bitcoin provider. Are you talking about where will you be sending the funds, or we have to create an account through us?
Well, once it's coming from my bank account, then I'm buying Bitcoins. Why?
Okay,
So
since we're a Bitcoin provider, a transaction would need to be made via a bank or a wire transfer.
Okay.
So you would need to initiate the purchase, and then that purchase would be put on hold until the account is fully verified.
Okay.
If the account is fully verified, then the transaction will go through.
I see. Okay.
And it's all going well. It's not even a day's work.
Okay. So because when it's transferred from my bank account to you, it's automatically converted into Bitcoin, correct?
Exactly. So as soon as when you enter the Instacoins, you saw the figure of the Bitcoin you're gonna buy.
Okay.
So the transaction doesn't change that number until the verification process is completed. So you will still be getting that amount of Bitcoin.
I see.
Although the graph fluctuates a lot, we made an agreement that you're gonna purchase that Bitcoin at that amount.
Right.
Okay, so once it goes through, you're gonna get that amount of Bitcoin.
Okay. So now, when I trade with Hugo, they're using Bitcoin only. So how does that stabilize between the two? Because one day Bitcoin may be down, and then I'm trading, but yet it's not enough Bitcoin to trade with. Because the American dollar stays the same, right? And then you trade with the American dollar. But now I'm trading with Bitcoin, so that's kind of confusing to me.
I understand, but that's the trick about it. Let me put it this way: like trading is a bit complex. It's not easy as straightforward as some people think. So
Right.
as far as how Hugo's way works, I mean, we're a Bitcoin provider and they are a Bitcoin wallet, which basically means that you can transfer funds to them, the Bitcoin, then you can withdraw it or deposit.
I
From
see.
our side, we just sell the Bitcoin.
I see. So they're the wallet. So I transfer, or I'm transferring the Bitcoin to my wallet in Hugo.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. We're a Bitcoin provider only. You can't withdraw the funds from us. You can only transfer them to a broker.
To a
Or
broker.
address.
I see. Okay. Yeah, because this is all new to me. I don't know why Hugo just doesn't take the dollar bill and then trade the dollar bill. It's got to be a Bitcoin. So when it transfers from you to Hugo, it's whatever the value of the Bitcoin is where it's locked at for them.
No. Once you purchase the Bitcoin through our site,
Okay.
you have that amount of Bitcoin.
Okay.
Let's say you purchase X amount, you have X amount of Bitcoin.
Okay.
So once you transfer to Hugo's way,
Okay.
you transferred the X amount that you bought, but in trading terms, it means that it depends on the current value of the market.
Okay.
Like you said, it goes up and it goes down.
I see.
Okay. For further questions, we have a trading team also on live chat that you can talk to and
Okay.
assistance.
That'd be great.
Okay.
All right.
I mean, I do have some basic knowledge, but it's best to contact
Right.
professionals.
And this is definitely a learning curve because you're transferring Bitcoin, which value goes up and down, and then you're trading other currency, which is going up and down.
Yeah.
Where if you normally just transfer the American dollar is set where it is, and then you're trading the dollar doesn't bounce up and down, but
It does fluctuate, but not as much.
as much as the Bitcoin does.
So what we always suggest is never use money that you depending on. Use money that basically if you lose it, it doesn't.
Oh yeah. The trading is up and down. Yeah, there's no doubt about that.
That's the best advice we can give.
Yep. Know your risk.
Exactly.
Know your risk.
Lower your risk, and
yeah.
The more you trade, and the more you start learning, then it will get easier.
Exactly.
I mean,
yeah, it's
easier
just
easier understanding rather than.
Right. Yeah, no, it's just now I'm throwing the Bitcoin into the the mix.
I know when I started, I lost most of it. So don't worry, we've all been there.
There you go. All right, thanks again. Am I all set?
Very much. That's all set. Now, also, one last thing you have to do. I don't know if I did mention it. Once the video is approved, you would need to verify your bank.
Okay.
And to do that for your security, you would need to upload a photo of the bank card showing only the first 6 digits, last 4 digits, your name, and expiry date.
Okay.
All the other data, we need you to cover them with a small piece of paper, take a photo, and upload them on our system.
Okay. So, which one gets covered? It'll tell me in the thing that which one to cover, right?
I can't tell you. It should tell you. Honestly, I'm not quite aware of the email sense because it's automated.
Okay.
Once the video is approved, but you would need only the first 6, last 4, your name and expiry date.
Okay, last 6.
All the extra details, just cover them with a piece of paper and take the photo.
Okay, there we go.
Great.
Thanks again.
Thank you very much for your time. Should you require any assistance, we're always happy to help.
Thanks again. Have a great day.
Thank you. Same to you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So, I hope you understand that. Because it's still going through my head. Alright, so we get our numbers and everything together and verify the bank card.
Hello?
Hello?
Could you please confirm your full name, date of birth, and zip code, please?
Okay. Dane?
Thank you. Could you please confirm your account number?
Say again? The account number?
Could you please confirm your account number? Yes. Okay, thank you. Okay, so this side, okay. I can see the request. 1 second. It's just that we have sent you an email, sir, in regards to this.
It would be D.
If we are unable,
Okay.
we are unable to read the card verification file we provided.
Okay.
We ask you to resubmit a copy of front and back of the card.
Oh, I see.
And please ensure the last first 20 digits and the only the last 4 digits visible.
I
All
see.
other information, including the name, the expiration date, and the car issuer, must be clearly visible.
Okay, front and back.
So we just need you to reply back to the email that we have sent you with the image.
Okay.
If you wish, I can resend the email now. If you do not have it, you cannot see it.
Okay, let's see. So
The email?
you just need the last 4. Yeah, no reply, your document. Oh, that's something else. I don't know what's going on here. Okay.
So you received the email. Can you see it?
Okay. Don't see anything here. I haven't got anything. I don't have anything from you.
Okay, so I will. Okay, have you checked spam folder as well?
Say again? Spam folder?
Have you checked
Yeah,
spam folder? Yes.
Yeah, I've checked both.
Okay, so I will resend it for you now. Just one moment.
Okay, dcrosby004@gmail.com.
Yes. That's
Okay.
the one that we have on file.
Okay.
Okay, so I have just sent it.
Refreshing my email. Promotion. DoorDash. Primary. Huh. This is weird.
Still nothing?
Still nothing.
And okay, so maybe we can try it like that. Could you please send us an email now, and I will try to reply back to the email that you sent. We'll see if we get emails from you.
Alright. Why? How is that going? Okay, I've got an old one here. Verify card. They just go that way? Or just
Yes, that could be this one also.
okay.
Which date is that?
See, back up. Just jumped it. Okay,
We got
required.
funded yesterday.
It did get funded. It's just waiting.
We have received a request, but we cannot process that to your trading account if we do not verify your card.
Because of the card. Okay, so I'm here. Let's see. Okay, this was sent. This was 8 hours ago. So just go ahead and log into this and then verify. Just verify the card.
Yes.
Okay.
You just need to reply back to this email with the card images.
Okay.
And the instructions are in the email.
Support.
How the card image looks like.
Okay. Okay, so I just need to go back in. Just card verify.
Yes. Just reply back with card images.
Okay. Username. What the heck is that?
I mean, you don't have to upload if there's like, if you cannot upload on my account page, then you can just send it through email if you wish.
Okay. Okay. Where's my portal number?
Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Oh, that'll do it. Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay, then you're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Okay, so I gotta just verify the freaking debit card again. Get in. Why is my 4? That's 4x. Where's my 4x account? 4x account. Okay, client. Okay, now I gotta go back in. Okay, so that's all I need. you do is go back in and my last 4 digits of my freaking card. Okay, now I'm uploading my credit card. I think I uploaded my driver's license last time. I don't think that was right. So, on front and back of your credit card. So, hopefully that works. Man, a lot of verification. That takes care of that. So, alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, and share. Catch you on the next in Crosby's journeys into day trading. I should do that in the Forex trading.